Okay, so look at this one. If you're wondering what to do first, what to balance first, I mean, a lot of people will be drawn towards looking at my silicon here, Si, that's 2 on this side, and here is just 1. Okay, so maybe they would like to start by balancing the silicon first, introducing a 2 at that point. Now, if I do that, it would force me to want to balance oxygen next. You see that? To force me to want to take care of oxygen next. But I know that because this is O2 here, right? It's standing on its own. I would like to balance that last, okay? Yeah, so I should not be going in this direction, otherwise it's telling me to balance oxygen next, which I don't want to. So let's leave this out first and look at the hydrogen instead. Maybe we can try to balance the hydrogen first and see how it goes. So if I'm having a 3 here and a 2 here, these are the only places where you have hydrogen in this question. A 3 there and then the 2 on the other side. So it means if I want to ensure that hydrogen is balanced, I can switch these numbers, this 3 and 2. I can switch it around such that I'll put a 2 right here and put a 3 here. That will make the hydrogens 6 on both sides. You see that move? So that's the first thing to do. So once you've done that, the 2 that I've dropped here would make my silicon 4. Then I'll drop a 4 here, balancing the silicon and telling me to balance oxygen next. You see that? Which is the last thing actually. So that's it. I have 2 oxygen here, and here the amount of oxygen I have is 4 times 2, 8 plus 3, that's 11, right? So maybe I can drop an 11 over 2 right here. Yeah, don't be afraid, just drop it. So that should make my oxygen 11 too over there. And then I guess I would multiply through by 2 to take off the fraction, so that I would then have 4Si2H3 plus 11O2, and then I would have 8SiO2 plus, what else? I'm multiplying by 2, so that should be 6H2O. And that should be the answer. You can just check it again. My silicon is 8 here, is 8 here. My hydrogen is 12. 6 times 2 is also 12. My oxygen is 22. And what do I have here? 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 6 is 22 as well. So that means that this is very much balanced. I hope this is clear. Is this really clear? All right, I'll see you soon.